This is a 2008 GSXR1000 drag build, and today we're kicking off a short series highlighting some custom parts I made specifically for this bike. First up, the rear brake block-off plate. The one currently on this bike is a custom one-piece themed piece, and yes, custom designs are available upon request. Comment below if you know the character. But what I'm showcasing today is the pure race version, made from a high-temp carbon fiber plastic blend, printed with a carbon fiber texture on the outside, and it weighs less than 1 ounce, lighter than anything else on the market. You can get this at LilChubCustomBikes.com. Stay tuned, there's more to come.